Hey, what's up? Not so long ago we made review of Elephone A5. The next generation smartphone, Elephone A6, isn't released yet, but there is already mini version. Today we want to talk about main specifications and features of Elephone A6 Mini. The phone costs only $100, but it provides modern design with water drop notch, new Helio A22 chipset, 4GB of RAM and 16 front and back cameras. The specifications list is very interesting for $100 phone. Do you agree? We have already ordered this device on AliExpress and waiting for shipment. The link where we bought it will be in description under the video. So let's take a closer look at Elephone A6 Mini. Elephone A6 Mini is a budget phone, but it follows the latest trend, water drop notch above the display and gradient back cover. In addition, there are ordinary colors, black and blue. It is not surprising that back panel is made of plastic. As you can see, there is no fingerprint reader on the back because it is located on the right side. Elephone company likes to place the fingerprint sensor on the side face. The front panel has 5.71-inch display with HD Plus resolution 720 by 1520 pixels. As you can see, Elephone A6 Mini is pretty compact mobile device. Also, the smartphone has 3.5mm audio jack, hybrid slot for dual SIM and microSD and microUSB port. Talking about hardware, Elephone A6 Mini is powered by MediaTek MT6761 chipset or Helio A22. The same processor is used in Redmi 6A. By the way, Xiaomi Redmi 6A scores about 60,000 points in Antutu, so we are waiting the similar result from Elephone A6 Mini. The smartphone comes with 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of storage. As I already said, there is slot for microSD. Another feature of new Elephone device is Android 9.0 Pie operating system. The Chinese manufacturer has its own user interface called ELE-UI. Its main difference compared to stock Android is new icons and wallpapers. You will be surprised, just like me, but Elephone A6 Mini has 16MP sensor on the back and front. Also, there is 2MP sensor on the back for depth effect. We don't have real sample photos yet, but we are very excited of the cameras. We are waiting for the smartphone to make full camera test. Elephone A6 Mini has 3180 mAh battery. This is not very big battery, but considering the display size and entry-level processor, the battery life should be okay. The phone supports only 5W and 1.5A charging. The full battery charge will take about 2.5 hours. So it was the first review of Elephone A6 Mini. As you can see, the smartphone have many interesting features for the price only $100. We have already ordered this mobile device and we hope to get it soon for unboxing and full review. The links where to buy Elephone A6 Mini and full review will be in description. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. See you next time!